Security and the Surveillance Center for the Police Command to use for effective surveillance of River State to ensure that lives and properties are protected. In the glory of God and use of God.
Our former Commissioner of Police here, who is now Zone 16, Friday Ebuka, former Deputy Speaker, House of Reps, our dear leaders, Chairman, River State Traditional Leaders Council, and the Eze Pararebis members of your council, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, our special guest, let me, on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely thank you for honoring our invitation in spite of the short notice that was given to you, and of course I know your tight schedule. Let me say clearly, our special guest of honor, this is our own contribution to making sure we have peace, to making sure we fight insecurity, to making sure those who do business and reside here sleep with their two eyes closed. Let me commend our special guest of honor for the support you are giving to this command to fight crime. I want to say it on good authority that since you came, we have had peace, we have had good relationship with the police command. Unlike what used to happen before, where in 1 year we had over 8 commissioners of police. I thank you for not bringing politics in security issues. That is why today Rivers people can count that this is one of the safest states. What we have done here, when you go in, you see by yourself, and I promise you we are going to replicate another of this in the next 6 months to make sure that we are going to fight crime. I've also approved the purchase of 10 armored vehicles to support our police command to fight crime. On this note, sir, I therefore allow you to remain there, the box will be brought there for you to speak, and then we'll move forward to commission the building. Thank you, and God bless you. Send this in there.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Barrister Yanson Wike, CON, Your Excellency the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Dr. Mrs. Apollo Harry, Your Excellency the former Speaker, House of Representatives, Right Honorable Chibudun Weke, the SSG to the Rivers State Government, Dr. Tami Dangogo, the Bar traditional rulers present here, the AIG Zone 16, Friday Ebuka, the Commissioner of Police, Rivers State, Head of Security Agencies present here, top government functionaries present here, all other distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen, let me say good morning in the afternoon. Your Excellency knows that I am from the desert where rain doesn't fall more than 2 to 3 times in a year. And that is why he has graciously approved my speaking to you under the shade so that I can catch fever. I am highly delighted to be here with you, Your Excellency, in Rivers State today to commission this edifice, the Nigeria Police Intelligence and Surveillance Center, for the use of the police to effectively provide safety for all and sundry in Rivers State and even beyond. Your Excellency, this project is a great boost to my main agenda of policing Nigeria in this contemporary time, which is in tandem with providing international best practice of using technology and ICT to police with ease. Your Excellency, these supports are unprecedented as they will surely improve our service delivery in Rivers State and beyond. I want to use and I want to assure you that police will make use judiciously of this center in collaboration with our cybercrime unit to tackle all forms of crimes and other criminalities. We will do the needful to discharge our duties as expected. To whom much is given, much is expected. Technology will make a lot of things easier. There is going to be 247 patrol with ease because the whole of Port Harcourt will be under surveillance and will be captured in a sitting position in an air-conditioned room where it is called the control room. In the control room, from what I heard from the project, you can sit down and police rivers by getting a lifetime incident report. And you can also have the opportunity to send a team that is on standby at the station. I think this is the international best practice. We will encourage and also appeal for other state governments and other stakeholders to repeat such projects that would make human factor not an issue. When you have security, you have everything. Even though security alone is not our problem, but the purpose of government itself is to provide safety to all. When you have a safety situation, you will be able to go about your local businesses in terms of everything you do. You can go to your farm, you can travel, you can move around, and that is the essence of security. Security is collaborative, it is synergy, and it is cooperation. We have received all the support from the state government, and this center can be used by every other security agency in terms of providing safety to the people of Rivers State. We have all the agencies that can make use of this edifice. If you are in immigration and you want to trace where illegal aliens are, you can still use this center. If you are in road safety, you want to check the traffic situation, you can use this center. You are a custom officer and you want to know where smuggled goods are passing, you can use this center. So that means it is an issue of all the security agencies getting a support, technically, technologically, and ICT based for us to discharge our duties effectively. I want to thank the Rivers State government and governor for this initiative and well-thought idea of bringing policing closer to the people and also making policing easy for those who are paid to do the job. Your Excellency, we have received a lot from what I have heard from the CP's speech that are your support to the command. And we have also heard much that even 10 APC armored patrol vehicles are still going to be provided for this center. This is not what anybody can say about without actually missing word that you have supported the police command with all state-of-the-art materials, tools to use while discharging their duties. I want to congratulate all serving officers in Rivers State that your job has been made easy. It is for you to now make use of these tools effectively and efficiently so that Rivers people will sleep their two eyes closed like His Excellency has demanded. Not only their two eyes closed, they will also go about their businesses while it is during the daytime. On this note, I want to thank His Excellency again that we are proud of what we have gotten, and we are also grateful of what you have done to the service and to all the security agents. Thank you very much.